Welcome, dear students. What is the picture all about? I am showing you one picture. What does this show? This show an appeal for keeping quiet. From your childhood till now, you have heard this word many times. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. So, what is the importance of keeping quiet? Today, I am going to start third poem, Keeping Quiet. It is composed by Pablo Neruda. So, dear students, in Keeping Quiet, the poet demands the necessity of quiet introspection. As we all know that man's actions, his rush and hurry have already caused much chaos and trouble in the world. Now it's the time when we should take a pause. We should take a pause from our hectic life, from our busy schedule and harmful activities. Men should do self-introspection. So let me start. So first of all, I will give you brief account about the poet. Keeping Quiet. This is beautiful poem. It is composed by Pablo Neruda. Pablo Neruda was the pen name. Pen name means pseudonym, upnam. Pen name and later legal name, poet, diplomat, politician Napoli Ricardo Reyes Basalto. So the Pablo Neruda and Napoli Ricardo Reyes Basalto, these were two names of the same person. He was born on July 12, 1904, died on September 23, 1973. He derived his pen name from chess poet Jan Neruda and recipient of Nobel Prize in the field of literature in the year 1971. Dear students, you must have at least the information about the poets and writers. Pablo Neruda became known as a poet when he was 10 years old. He wrote in a variety of styles including succulent poems, historical epics, erotically charged love poems such as Once in his collection, 20 love poems and Song of Despair. It was published in 1942. So, let me give introduction about brief outlook. Essence of this poem. In this poem, poet visualizes a state of comfortable inertia where he wishes for pleasant idleness, relaxation away from frantic rat race, destructive activities and futile wars. He wishes for a profound silence and stillness that would alleviate the sadness caused by lack of self-understanding and threat of self-destruction, and which would build up a sense of togetherness. So, dear students, this poem is very appropriate. This is in the form of appeal to all human beings to keep quiet. It means in keeping quiet, poet demands necessity, importance of quiet introspection. We used to comment on others, criticize others, throw stones or words on others, for discussions involved in harmful activities, but we are unable to analyze ourselves. Our heedless actions, rush and hurry already caused much suffering and chaotic state trouble in the world. So this is the time when we must introspect ourselves. Frantic rat race, हम rat race में भागे जा रहे हैं. Our destructive activities, harmful activities, futile wars. So this is the time when we must analyze, introspect ourselves. We must take a pause from our hectic schedule. We should do self-introspection. And we must create mutual understanding among human beings. It will create a feeling of a sense of togetherness and brotherhoodness. So this is the essence of the poem. Now I am moving ahead. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. The poet wants us to keep still till he counts 12. Let us not talk in any language on this earth. He made polite appeal to all human beings to stop moving our arms so much for 1 second. So the poet urges us to count 12 and be still. For a moment we should stop talking in different languages. We should not involve in any harmful activities. So Pablo Neruda considers indecent haste activities lead humanity to wars, violence and death. He